Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce you to Google NotebookLM tool or the web page. So after creating Gmail account or Google account and after typing Google NotebookLM URL, you will see this page. This is the introduction to Google NotebookLM web page or interface. So it looks like this. You see here you see my notebooks, featured notebooks, and you see all these options. So these are all the notebooks that I have created. These are all the notebooks that I have created. If you want to create a new notebook for you, all you need to do is click on create new. Before we create any notebook, I would like to give some details about all the options that we have in Google Notebook LM. So if you have created some notebooks, if you click on my notebooks, it will take you to all the notebooks that you have created. If you click on featured notebooks, these are the notebooks that are recommended by Google. Maybe these notebooks are created by experts or researchers or scientists or writers, and they want their notebooks to be published in Google Notebook LM, and you will see these featured notebooks once you enter Google Notebook LM web page. So if you are completely new to Notebook LM, before creating a new notebook, you can just go through these featured notebooks so that you will get some understanding about how these notebooks are created. So I have created this. I have clicked on this notebook called William Shakespeare, the complete plays, and you see these are all the sources or the documents that are uploaded for William Shakespeare notebook. So these are all the sources. It could be PDF, it could be MP3 files, it could be Word files, Notepad documents, PDFs, whatever it is. So these are all the sources, and this is the information that AI or the Notebook LM tool has generated for this particular topic. And these are all the things that you can generate or create from the sources, which we can discuss about it in the coming videos. So basically, to get a quick understanding of how Notebook LM or a notebook looks like, you can click any of these featured notebooks and you will get all these details here. So this is the place where you can type the prompt. So it says start typing. Okay, list one important line from this notebook. It's a simple prompt. Let's see how it goes. So it is analyzing the details from all these sources, and it is going to give one important line from this notebook. So it goes through all these documents. It is going to analyze all these documents, and it is going to give one important line from these notebooks or these sources. So let's wait. It says an important line from the sources is, life is but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and frets his hour upon the stage and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. This profound statement is uttered by Macbeth in the tragedy of Macbeth after hearing of his wife's death. So this is the most important line from all these sources. So you can talk to Notebook LM like this. So this is featured notebooks. So yes, I just wanted to give a quick introduction about Notebook LM before we dive deep into this. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.